Thank you for calling insurance. Need to let you know your call may be recorded for quality and training purposes. This is Can I help you?
Oh, yes, can I speak to please?
She's not here. Can I help you with something?
Do you know when she might be available?
Well, she's the owner. She's usually not here. I can get her a message. What is it about? And I can probably help you. I'm the manager.
I was just giving her a call. I'm a fellow insurance agent. Was just reaching out. I just wanted to talk shop if she was available, but I guess I can give her a try back.
Okay. All right.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
How good is your customer experience? Why are we at a movie theater? It's two good questions. Try and explain both.
Please wait for the next available attendant.
Good morning, Associates.
Hi, can I speak to please?
He's currently moving offices, so his phones are disconnected. Could you call back?
Sure, I'll give him a try back. Thanks a lot.
All right.
So, actually at a movie theater that's about 30 minutes away from my house, and this is where I will actually come to see movies. Why would I do that? Well, do you know what an XD movie theater is? Or probably like IMAX? This is the only XD theater within 20-30 minutes from my house, and I bypass probably 5 or 6 other movie theaters that are way closer, but because they have the best movie theater experience, I'm willing to drive the extra time to come here and see an actual movie. Is your agency have something that's worth the drive?
Thank you for calling. If you know your party's extension, you may dial it now or listen to the following name directory. Press 1. Press 2. Press 3.
This is I'm away from my desk right now. Please leave a message and your phone number, and I'll call you back as soon as possible.
Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
So many speakers. Look at all these speakers. Can we count them? I don't even think we can count them all. There's 1, 2, 3, 7. So 14 in the ceiling. 2, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 on the sidewall. 2, 3, 4, 7 on the back. Not even counting what's behind the screen. This is a better customer experience. It costs more. It's further away. I travel 30 minutes to get here. Oh, look at this. I haven't even been down here before. Cool stage.
Have you noticed anything unusual since his return?
Did I live through fictional tales for so long?
So, I mean, what does this customer experience look like for your agency? I mean, it's got to be obvious, right? It's got to be apparent. I'm sitting in a gigantic theater with a gigantic screen. The sound is incredible. So, I mean, things that obviously make you stand out. Being different is how easy is it for people to get a hold of you? Do they have to wait for you to open at 9 o'clock? Can they schedule the time on your calendar that's right for them? Can they get access to your information when it's convenient, when it's the best time for them, when it's 11 o'clock at night and they have a question and they need you to provide an answer? Can they do that? Are you helping them get started with their policy in a way that nobody else is or can? Hold on, let's look. Black Panther, Black Panther.
People came out of that movie going, I want to know more about that character.
You want the wow factor. But it's not just stuff blowing up. It definitely is a character piece. That's a responsibility that other.
I guess what this all comes down to is we always worry about price, we always worry about everything else, but we need to be worried about our customer experience, right? It doesn't matter if it costs more. If it's worth it, people will make the effort. They will make the drive. They will bypass other agencies to come to yours because you've shown them a reason to keep driving, right? Oh, look at this. Hey. think this Allstate agent is getting business?
There's no business like your business at the movie.
Allstate agent, I'm sure, is getting tons of business from advertising this empty theater.
Write your own Hollywood ending.
I'm just saying.
Good afternoon. Speaking.
Hi, speak to please.
I'm sorry, she's gone for the day. Can I take a message or help you with something?
Do you know it might be a good time to reach her?
What's this in reference to?
Just a fellow insurance agent was just reaching out to talk to her about a couple of questions that I had.
Okay, well, she works 9 to 2, Monday through Friday.
Okay, well...
so you can give her a call back tomorrow about 9:30.
All right, well, I appreciate that. Thank you very much.
Bye.
They didn't even want me in here filming. Like, I had to get clearance. Like, went through like 2 managers. I got accosted as soon as I walked through the door with a video camera. Not a good idea.